Hello friends, in today's video we are going to cover the topic called viroids. Viroids are infectious pathogens that affect only plants. So they are also called plant pathogens. Structurally, viroids are smaller than viruses and consist of circular strands of ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, with no protein coating. These entities hijack the cellular machinery in plant cells to replicate themselves. It mainly affects all forms of higher plants. Structure of viroids. Viroids differ from viruses in structure and form. They contain only globular and single-stranded RNA without a protein coat. Plants infected with viroids are responsible for crop failure and loss of millions of dollars in agricultural revenue every year. Some plants affected by these pathogens are potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, chrysanthemum, coconut, palm, avocados, etc. Viroids were first discovered by T.O. Diner in the year 1971. For the first time, it was tested in potato spindle tuber viroid, causing huge losses to the potato industry. Viroids are plant parasites that contain the transcriptional machinery of a cell's organelles, such as the nucleus or chloroplast. As they are known to be non-coding, these repeat by the process of RNA transcription. They mainly affect the epidermis of hosts after causing mechanical damage to the cell wall of the plant. Characteristic features of viroids. Some distinctive features of viroids are given below. Viroids contain only RNA. These are small and infect only plants. These are among the smallest known of disease-causing infectious agents. Viroids are species of nucleic acids with relatively low molecular weight and a unique structure. They reproduce within the host cell. They affect and cause differentiation, leading to death. Viroids are mainly classified into two families, namely Pospiviroid, that are nuclear viroids, and Opson viroid, that are chloroplastic viroids. Viroids are said to move in an intracellular manner from cell to cell via plasmodesmata and over long distances via phloem. Viral diseases. Some diseases caused by infection with viroids in plants are Citrus exocotis, cucumber pale fruit, chrysanthemum stunt. These infectious diseases also spread in plants through seed coating, tuber propagation, and improper handling of contaminated equipment. Hepatitis D is caused by viroid-like particles in humans. Symptoms caused by viroid infection in plants include stunted growth, stem necrosis, discoloration of leaves and fruits, and ultimately plant death. Most viroids are said to infect plants, including coconut and apple trees. Potato spindle tuber viroid causes significant crop damage to potato yield, leading to tuber elongation and then crack. Symptoms of other common types of viroid infection include stunting and leaf epinesty. Pathogenicity of viroids. Recent evidence indicates that viroid-derived small RNAs acting through host RNA silencing pathways play an important role in viroid pathogenicity. Host responses to viroid infection are complex, involving signaling cascades, involving host encoded protein kinases and crosstalk between hormonal and defense signaling pathways.